Hey, it's Patrick, and these are the nominees for the GarageBand Guide's Plugin of the Year 2019. Coming out of seemingly nowhere back in September, I Heart New York, the debut audio plugin from New York-based developers Baby Audio, aims to deliver all the punch and power of a fully featured parallel compressor in a straightforward and easy-to-use interface. And boy does it deliver. Styling itself as a true New York-style compressor, punchy, crunchy with slightly rolled off high and low frequencies, I Heart New York takes care of the technical side of parallel compression under the hood, leaving you to adjust the compressed signal with its streamlined set of controls. The results that this thing produces on drum tracks, synths, guitar tracks, and even vocals are nothing short of incredible. The audio wizards at Clevgrins have been insanely busy this year, cranking out some fantastic must-have plugins and effects. One of their most impressive creations from 2019, ModLi accomplishes the difficult task of giving beginners and intermediate users enough presets and straightforward controls to create some great sounding effects straight away, while also providing enough in-depth editing options to satisfy the most demanding audio tinkerers. The pre, loop, and post racks allow you to utilise any combination of effects from the 15 available to you, and the sheer variety of sounds it is possible to create with ModLi is staggering. One of 2019's more unique macOS plugins, ModLi will keep you happily experimenting and creating for hours on end. Okay, so Labs wasn't strictly speaking released in 2019, but it's had so many superb updates this year that I really feel it deserves a place on this list. Don't at me. Spitfire Audio have a reputation for creating industry-leading sample libraries and virtual instruments. Their Labs program allows you to get a taste of the kind of incredible premium sounds they offer via their excellent instrument plugin. At the time of this video, there are 20 individual instruments available to download, some with only a single sound to play from within the Labs instrument, some with multiple presets. Now, I can't stress this enough. These instrument samples and sounds are incredible. And yeah, Labs and all of its content is completely free, the only free plugin on this list. And I think that's testament to the quality of the sounds on offer here. There are no shortage of great sounding guitar and bass sim plugins on macOS, but in my opinion, no other gives you such a complete package as Blue Cat's Axiom. Receiving a huge old overhaul back in September that incorporated two of Blue Cat's other killer plugins, Destructor and Late Replies, right into Axiom itself, you're now completely spoiled for choice when it comes to shaping your tone. Add to that the re-guitar feature, which allows you to emulate many kinds of guitar tones regardless of the model used for recording, and the ability to map out your ideal tone using a two-dimensional tone brainstorm interface, and you have the most fully featured guitar plugin ever made. Or if you just want to pick a preset and rock out with your clock out, you have hundreds to choose from. Fair warning, it ain't cheap, but you'll never need to buy another guitar and bass amp sim plugin ever again. So there you have it, those are the nominees for the GarageBand Guide's Plugin of the Year 2019. Which of the plugins on this list gets your vote? As always, I want to hear your opinion on this. Leave a comment down below and let me know. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.